Hi guys, welcome back to the day 3 of 30 days AI mastery. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can create custom gem or custom GPT using ChatGPT or Gemini, whichever LLM model you want to use, and create an AI employee who helps you with the image generation prompt so you can easily just describe your idea and you will get a perfect prompt. All the resources that I'm going to use, the PDF, are going to be in the description down below. So just click on it and you can follow along with me to create a perfect prompt. So from now on, no need to worry about image generation or image generation prompt. So let's start now. As you guys can see here, I am into Google Gemini, but you can again follow it with ChatGPT as well. We are going to create an AI employee here, which is going to help us for the prompt generation of images. So let's just click here on the sidebar. I am going to use the gems here. So let's just go to gems here and you can see here I already have lots of gems. Just make sure that you don't use gems made by labs. We need to use a gems manager. So it is going to act as an AI employee here. So let's just click on new gem here. Again, if you are following for ChatGPT, I'm going to show you in a while how exactly you can do that as well. But let's just give it a name here. So I'm going to give it a name, AI employee for image generation. Okay, and let's just give it a description. So let's just write, it helps me write the perfect image prompts. That's it. Now in instructions, we need to give it a instructions of what you want your AI agent to look like. It can be for image generator, video generator, or it can help you for the research as well. It depends on you guys. So I'm just going to copy and paste this prompt here. This is the prompt. You are an experienced AI artist and knows how to create AI images of every art style. So I'm just going to rename this to every art style. You have the knowledge of camera, shots, compositions, color, etc. and knows how to create a perfect AI prompt for any situation. Now I would just described it here, but what you can do, you can refine this. Now this is the feature that Gemini have and ChatGPT don't have in the Gem. So GPT. So if you are using ChatGPT, I'm going to show you in a bit how you can do that. Don't worry about that as well. So let's just click on refine here. And if you scroll downward here, you can see there is a default tool. So if you want to be having a deep research, you can do that as well. If you want to create image only from this gem, you can do that as well. But I'm just going to make sure that default tool is no default tool here. You can see it has written a really long purpose and goals here, which is needed. So apply photographic logic, apply composition mastery, and you can just click on save and your AI employee will be ready. But I'm going to provide you with 3 PDF, which you will find in the description below. So go to that link, download all the 3 PDF and you are going to upload in the knowledge file here. Now, what are the PDF? So this PDF contains the detailed description on how photography works, how cinematography works, what is lighting and all that stuff. So let me just open it for you guys. So here you can see this is the anatomy of a perfect AI image prompt. This is the 6th part here, which you can see here as well. Then I also have second for cinematography and lighting. So how the lighting works, how the camera lens and focal length works, how you can have the film strokes and textures, camera angles and movements, color grading. And if I open the 3rd PDF here, you can see here as well. We have this here and it has all the things here, which you can see here as well. I'm going to close this now and we are going to use this 3 PDF. So let's just go to knowledge files and here I'm going to click on add files. Just click on upload files and here are all the 3 files that I'm talking about, and let's just click open here. So you can see it is loading all the 3 PDF here. And once this is done, just click on save. But before doing that, I'm going to show you the ChatGPT method as well to create a custom GPT. So now why we are doing this, because again and again, you don't need to copy and paste what you want to create, how you want to create, what camera angle you want. So all that stuff will be taken care by this custom GPT or custom gem here. Let's just go to ChatGPT. And let's just open the sidebar here, click on more and click on GPTs here. Again, I will go to my GPTs and you can see I have already created some custom GPTs for myself for the work that I do daily. But let's just go to again GPTs here and let's just click on create. Now you can chat with GPT and create a custom GPT, but I am just going to use this configure here. Again, for the name, we can just copy paste this out. So if you are using ChatGPT, do this. If you are using Google Gemini, you can use the custom gem. Both works fine for you guys. It works really great for me as well. So let's just copy this instructions here and let's just upload the files here as well. And just once this is done, you need to just click on create. Again, you can see there is some error. Maybe it is a temporary error that it is going right now. So let's just try again. Yeah, this is now done. You can see, so it was some temporary error, not an issue. And here I'm going to make sure that it's using the thinking mini. So if you are on a go or pro plan, it will be available. If you are on a free plan, you will not get this option. So either you need a go plan of ChatGPT or you need a pro plan for Gemini. Either will be fine. You can use Claude as well, but you need to create a project and custom knowledge files you need to upload in that. But I don't use Claude for this. So let's just use no recommended model and let's just click on create here. You can see you cannot share this publicly. So now it is disabled, but not an issue. Let's just do the same thing here as well. Let's just click on save. So now both the GPT, custom GPT and custom gem are ready. Let's just start with a chat here. Again, you can see this is our GPT here. So let's just do one thing. Let's just type a prompt here so we can compare both the results. So I'm going to write here. Again, you can speak as well, but I'm going to write, I want to create a UGC image shot on iPhone. So again, I have told you in day 2 how you can actually prompt. So you need to describe what you want to showcase and what camera you are using or what type of style you are using, art style. So I want a UGC image in the style of iPhone. So it should be shot on iPhone. A image of a Russian girl around 25 years, a gamer promoting Red Bull in the gaming room, sitting on a gaming chair. So I want to create a UGC image. Again, we are going to cover how you can create the perfect UGCs from image to video in the future series as well. But for today, we are not going to focus on that. And just give the submit button here. Again, if you want, you can just type here Red Bull and press enter, and you can just go to images, just copy this image out. So let's just right click and copy the image, and I'm going to give it here again. And once it is uploaded, I can do the same thing in my ChatGPT prompt as well, and right click again to copy this image. So we can just click here, right click and copy the image here, and let's just paste it here as well. And now run this here and run this here as well. Again, if it is creating a image for you guys, just make sure that you write here. Again, you can see this is creating a image. So I'm going to write into ChatGPT, do not create image, and let's just click on send. So now you can see it's going to analyze the image and it is not going to create an image here. Let's just go to Gemini. Again, I'm going to use Higgsfields for image generation. You can find the link in the description of Higgsfield. So if you want to register your account or buy a subscription, you can check out my affiliate link. Again, I am going to use an affiliate link because as usual, there is no sponsors for these videos and series that I am creating. In future, if I get, I will surely try to get a more discount. But right now, if you use my link, you will get minimum 50% off on my link, or 25 to 50% between. You can just click on it, just register your account and you will get some really good discounts as well. So do check that out. The link will be in the description. Let's just go to image here. Again, you can use any AI model that you want and any AI platform that you want. So let's just go here. You can see we have this production ready prompt. Let's just copy this here. Let's just paste it here. I am going to select the GPT image 2 option here, 2K resolution. And here you can see we need to give it a Red Bull image. So I'm into ChatGPT, copy the image, and let's just paste it here. I am replacing the reference image link here. So let's just write reference image @ image1, and now this is ready. Let's just click on generate. Now this is the Gemini output. Let's just see how this looks here as well. So for some reason it is not working. So let's just run it again. Till this is done, let's just go for another scenario. Let's say you want a macro photography. So let's just go here, macro photography of an eagle catching its prey in the water in net geo style, and let's just press enter here. So now it is going to give me a macro photography of an eagle catching its prey in the water in net geo style. So you need to describe what type of style you want. Again, as I told you, if you want a Pixar style, you can write 3D Pixar style as well. If you want the editorial photography, write that what you want and it will create that prompt for you guys. And here you can see this is looking really good. And if I click here, you can see this image has come out really well. And why it has came out really well? Because we are using this knowledge file here that I have created and the custom GPT. You can see this image as well. It feels like really natural image. You can see the gaming room as well. So this is what I was telling you guys about. Now let's just try this as well. So here you can see the hyper realistic image of wild photography, and let's just go here. Let's just use this as well. Again, I'm going to change the aspect ratio here to 16:9, and let's just click on generate, and you can see this is getting generated. I will be back once this is generated. Let's just do now a third scenario here. So let's just do create a 2D fighting image in a 2D fighting anime style of two creatures fighting, and let's just press enter. So it is going to create a prompt for us, but let's say if it is creating a image, again write it here that I don't want to generate image, I want prompt only, and it will give that here. So till this is getting generated, we are getting this prompt here. So again, it's up to you guys what you want to create. You can create a cinematic ocean shot of a ship in a stormy weather. You can do that as well. So it's a really good thing. You can see we are getting the camera composition, lighting and all that stuff. So let's just copy this here. Again, you can see the Niji style is here. So we are going to take till again extreme action framing because we are not using the mid journey model here. This is done. Again, you can see this is into 16:9. So yeah, 16:9, and let's just click on generate. Let's just do one more cinematic style, cinematic camera style. So let's just type it here. Create a prompt for cinematic style shot on cinema camera anamorphic lens film grain of a pirate ship in a stormy dark ocean, and let's just press enter. So it is going to create a prompt for us of a cinematic camera anamorphic lens because we have just described. So you just need to describe what exactly you want: cinematic, photography, editorial style, 90s vibe, or Y2K style, or any fashion style that you want to create. If you have the reference as well, you can just copy and paste the reference from Pinterest and give it here. It's up to you guys. So this is also generated the prompt here. Let's just copy and paste it. Again, let's just do it till here. Control C, and let's just do Control V here, and let's just click on generate. Again, you can use the C Dream 5 Pro model as well. You can use Nano Banana 2 as well. But let me just show you guys. You can see this looks really good. You can see the eagle, the fish as well, the water as well. So if I am using this, let's say another model like Dream 5 Pro, you will get a different result again. Let's just switch this to 16:9. And let's say if we are doing Nano Banana 2, we can do that as well into 16:9. You can see we have got these two creatures that are fighting each other in an 2D anime style. So this is looking really good. Again, let's just do this in our Dream as well. So let's just click on Dream 5. And I'm not going to go for Nano Banana 2 because I know Nano Banana 2 is not made for this style. But you can see this is now done, the ships, and you can see this is looking really stormy here. You can see the clouds as well. Again, you can use this for Dream as well or Nano Banana 2 as well. But let's just use Dream 5 Pro for this. And let's just do 21:9, and this is going to look really cool. Again, you can use this for Cinema Studio as well. So let's say if you want to use Cinema Studio model, you can definitely do that as well. Just go to your Cinema Studio and just copy and paste it, and it is going to give that realistic cinema image here. So just go to image and switch this to the model that I am talking about. So if you scroll downwards here, it will be somewhere over here, cinematic cameras, and let's just paste it here. Let's just do 21:9 and let's just click on generate. So let's just wait for a bit to get this generated. Again, till this is getting generated, I am going to go to our image tab here, and you can see this is now generated. You can see this is the Dream 5 Pro result. This is looking really good. And you can create a Sedan's 2 prompt for this of a fighting scene between two beasts, and this is going to look epic here. And again, you can see this shot as well. You can see the anamorphic lens. It feels like a cinematic movie shot. You can see the lens flare as well. You can see the cinematic color grading as well. Again, you can see this result, which is of the Cinema Studio image. You can see this is the result that we got. So again, I am big fan of Dream 5 Pro model recently, and this is the image that we have got here for Nano Banana 2. You can see this is looking really good. Okay, so it's up to you guys which model you want to use. Just experiment with this gem that I have taught you. Create your own gem or custom GPT. Use the PDF that I have given in the description. Again, if you like this series so far, if you are enjoying the day 3, please subscribe to my channel. It will be helpful for me to create much more longer videos and much more series videos as well, because with your likes and subscribe, I am motivated to create more such videos. Also, let me know in the comments what exactly you want to learn more in this 30 days AI series. I will look at that as well. Also, if you are not following me on Instagram, the link will be in the description. You can follow me on Instagram and you will see daily I create something and share with you guys as well. Sometimes I do share prompts as well. So you can directly get it from there, the prompt that I don't share in the videos. So do follow me on the Instagram. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please press that like button, share it with your friends who wants to learn AI. Before going, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye guys. Take care.